100 mind-blowing facts you won't believe are true. Which one shocked you most? Comment below. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey that's still edible. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. The Eiffel Tower can grow up to 6 inches taller in summer. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. The fingerprints of a koala are almost identical to humans. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. The inventor of the microwave oven got the idea from a melted chocolate bar. Sharks existed before trees. The human stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. The average cloud weighs over 1 million pounds. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep to stay together. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Apples float because 25% of their volume is air. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. The Mpemba effect. You can't hum while holding your nose. There are more fake flamingos in the world than real ones. Pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. About 1/100th of a second. The tongue is the strongest muscle in proportion to its size. Spiders can't fly, but some can balloon through the air with silk. The longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. Peanuts are not nuts, they're legumes. Elephants can't jump. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. The majority of your brain is fat, about 60%. Chewing gum while cutting onions helps prevent tears. A snail can sleep for 3 years. The moon has moonquakes. Mosquitoes are attracted to people who just ate bananas. Tomatoes have more genes than humans. A crocodile can't stick its tongue out. Turtles can live without food for months. Goldfish can see ultraviolet light. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Some lizards can squirt blood from their eyes. A bolt of lightning can contain up to 1 billion volts of electricity. A jellyfish has no heart, brain, or bones. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. The Sahara Desert can get snow. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car. Ants don't sleep. Bees can recognize human faces. The longest time between 2 twins being born is 87 days. Cats can't taste sweetness. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth. The M's in M and M's stand for Mars and Murray. Some metals explode when they touch water. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. There are more stars in space than grains of sand on Earth. Dragonflies can see in all directions at once. Tigers have striped skin, not just fur. Earthquakes can turn water into gold. Water can boil and freeze at the same time, called the triple point. Humans are the only animals that blush. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the Earth in a lifetime. The Eiffel Tower leans slightly away from the sun. Sound travels faster underwater than in air. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. A panda's diet is 99% bamboo. The deepest place on Earth is called the Mariana Trench. Sharks are older than dinosaurs. Some frogs can survive being frozen. The longest word in English has 189,819 letters. No 2 snowflakes are exactly alike. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur. Raindrops aren't tear-shaped. They're shaped like hamburger buns. There are more atoms in a glass of water than stars in the universe. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. Goats have rectangular pupils. The sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. Dolphins call each other by name. Your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. Some sea cucumbers fight by shooting their own organs. The smell of freshly cut grass is a plant distress call. The average adult has about 5 million hairs. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets. Some ants can build living bridges with their bodies. There's a volcano in Indonesia that spews blue lava. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million colors. Some spiders can glide through the air. You can't burp in space. Rats laugh when tickled. There are more fake flamingos than real ones in the world. Bats always turn left when exiting a cave. The brain uses around 20% of the body's energy. Frogs absorb water through their skin. Some animals can survive without oxygen for hours. Your fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. The smallest bone in your body is in your ear.